GlowDrop Tanning Drops are going viral for claiming you can get a natural tan just by drinking them. But the real question is, can a supplement actually tan your skin, or is this mostly marketing? What the marketing claims. GlowDrop says it works by boosting melanin production via L-tyrosine, adding carotenoids that glow the skin, building a tan gradually over weeks. It even suggests visible results in 2 to 4 weeks, with full results in 2 to 3 months. Sound impressive, but here's where reality kicks in. What the science actually supports. Carotenoids can change skin tone slightly. Ingredients like beta-carotene can accumulate in the skin. This may give a yellow/orange warm tint over time. This is real, but it's not a tan. Where the claims fall apart. Drink your tan is misleading. These products don't trigger real tanning like the sun. Don't darken skin significantly. At best, you get a subtle tone shift, not a tan. The glow can be misleading. Any visible change is usually from carotenoid buildup, skin hydration, lighting/perception, not actual pigment change. Overhyped testimonials. GlowDrop claims things like vacation glow, people asking where you went. These are marketing exaggerations, not clinical outcomes. So, does GlowDrop actually work? Short answer, not for real tanning. You might get slight skin warmth/glow. You will not get a real tan just by drinking it. Bottom line, GlowDrop falls into the real ingredients, exaggerated outcome category. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.